Get ready with these 10 motorcycle gadgets from Amazon that make riding safer, easier, and more enjoyable. This video is part 2 of our motorcycle gadget series. After watching, don't forget to check out part 1 in the description below. Rokform motorcycle handlebar mount. The motorcycle handlebar costs between $110 to $200. This tough, all-metal phone mount has a strong magnetic locking system and an optional vibration dampener. It fits different handlebar sizes, making it very versatile. Riders who want to keep their phone secure and stable while navigating or making calls will find this useful. You can install it, it's built to last, and it keeps your phone steady even on bumpy roads. Alpinestars Tech Air 3 Airbag Vest. The airbag vest costs over $600. This high-end safety gear gives active crash protection. It uses AI to detect crashes and inflates to protect shoulders and ribs. Riders who want the best safety can choose this vest. It fits well and comes in women's sizes too. You can wear it under jackets made for it. Which would you try first? The Rokform motorcycle handlebar mount or the Alpinestars Tech Air 3 Airbag Vest? Share your thoughts in the comment. Muc-Off pressure washer kit. The washer kit costs between $300 to $350. This cleaning system is made just for motorcycles. It comes with different lances, like a low pressure one that's safe for bearings and a snow foam lance for gentle but good cleaning. You can take it anywhere thanks to its waterproof storage bag. The kit also has special soaps and brushes. It's great for riders who want to clean their bikes at home. The parts are easy to use, save water, and stay organized. Freeway Blaster's custom motorcycle horn. The motorcycle horn costs about $15. This small loud horn hooks up to any motorcycle battery with ease. It makes a deep booming sound that cuts through traffic noise, helping other drivers hear the rider better. Bikers love it because it fits on any bike, doesn't cost much, and works well to alert others on the road. Next up is a must-have gadgets for surprise fixes on the road. Don't skip this one. Gerbing heated motorcycle gloves. Motorcycle gloves priced from $99 provide adjustable heat that connects to the motorcycle's 12-volt system. These gloves feature tough aniline cowhide leather, strengthened superfabric sliders, and Aquadex water resistance to shield riders in cold, rainy weather. Made for bikers who ride in chilly conditions, these gloves keep hands nimble with touchscreen-friendly fingertips. They offer dependable, swift heating, sturdy build, and a comfortable fit. Oxford auxiliary motorcycle light. Motorcycle lights cost between $120 to $150. These small, powerful LED lights come in waterproof IPX7 rated aluminum cases. You can adjust their mounts to fit bars from 22 to 28 millimeters wide. Each light puts out 1,150 lumens, making night rides and bad weather clearer. They include a waterproof handlebar switch and wiring harness for easy setup. These lights help make riding safer and more reliable. Which gadget would you add to your motorcycle adventure trip? Gerbing heated motorcycle gloves or Oxford auxiliary motorcycle lights? Share your answer in the comment. Beeline Moto 2 navigation device. The navigation device costs about $150. This small, simple GPS works just for motorcycles. It has buttons that work with gloves, can handle water and shock, and shows a 1.45-inch bright IPS screen. This screen has a coating to cut glare, so you can see directions. It gives step-by-step directions with maps you can use offline. The battery lasts 14 hours. You can choose from different ride settings like route, tracking, and compass. This makes it great for riders who want clear directions without getting distracted. DJ Helmet's Bluetooth communication system. The helmet's costing between $100 to $180 lets riders talk to each other, make hands-free calls, and listen to music. It has good noise cancellation, and you can control it with your voice to hear. It works with most helmets, can handle bad weather, and connects over long distances. This makes it great for people who ride in groups or commute and want reliable, high-quality sound. New gadgets are coming that will shake up how you pack and power your ride. Motolug motorcycle trailer. The motorcycle trailer costs about $850. This light foldable trailer helps you move motorcycles. It has a tough, mild steel frame. You can put it together without tools. Its special loading system holds the bike straight up without needing a ramp. Adventure riders and tourers find it useful. It can handle bad weather, folds up small to store, has many places to put things, and can tow up to 350 kilograms. Sena Prism tube heads-up display. The heads-up display is a groundbreaking AR helmet add-on that shows key riding info like direction, speed, and alerts right in front of the rider's eyes. This hands-free customizable screen works well with phones, making riders safer and more comfortable by letting them watch the road while staying up to date. Make your ride better with these revolutionary motorcycle gadgets. Take action now to be safer and smarter on the road by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribe.